Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good morning, good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're a special edition today. We're here in Serbia at Belgrade at the Metropole Palace Hotel, and I'm here with Aleksandar Opsenica, who's the organizer of this week's REBEC show, which, Alex, welcome to the show, and tell us a little bit about REBEC and a little bit about yourself.
Of myself, that is so hard.
And
but
that's
for
an
the
hour.
event,
Yeah.
but for the event, we established this event on 2008 in Belgrade, in Congress Center Sava. Now is the 15th after. We start to be a regional event of CEE region from 2015. Now we have around 250 visitors. And it seems to me that Belgrade is the central part of the Southeast Europe. We are, capital city of the Serbia, with so better situation with the real estate development concerning residential, logistic, industrial, hospitality also. We have the hot top 24 panels with the subject, and that's it, shortly speaking.
Well, great. I mean, it's been, yesterday was the first day, very good start. I see that the room is full today with the banking and finance panel. Always good to see the bankers are very interested in Serbia, Belgrade projects. A lot on residential as well, a bit on PRS and resi for rent or residential for rent. So great to see. I see everyone's coming out from the conference on the first break, so big group. I think you had 250 people this year, yeah?
Yes, mm-hmm. And another 120 on the online. We're using the Huva social network platform from the Los Angeles, from America, and that's it. That is our audience for this 15th anniversary.
Yeah, right. And Huva is working very well. I can see we got a lot of people coming out now, so good to see. So, Alex, thank you again for letting us be international media partner of the event. We appreciate that. And tomorrow, I'm doing the panel for SCE investment hotspots.
Yes,
which we have a great panel: CBRE, Indotech,
Delta. Yes, so, and would be very, very, very nice.
And so a lot going on, which they can watch. Also, if they're not in Serbia, they can watch it online through Huva. Is that correct?
The Huva, yes, that is the international. Everyone is welcome.
Right, great. We'll just do so Alex, thank you very much. We'll just do a little pan this way of everyone that's coming out of the cocktail party to get started. Very nice day today. Again, Alex, thank you for everything, and we will
thank you for your audience.
Come join me over here, and it was great to see you, and come join us one last shot.
Thank you.
And we have a great. Oh, they're taking our picture over here.
Yes.
So we have a great party
just a moment
tonight.
Slika nas pozadi. S ove strane da nas ulovi. Okay.
So we look important. There we go.
Yes. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And we'll start with the latest news from Newmark, Panattoni and Segro, where they've released a report on data centers, and they reveal that both Polish and international companies are reporting a growing demand for modern data centers, while the availability of suitable land in established Western markets is shrinking. Poland still has a large pool of excellent and affordable sites meeting data center requirements. And the growth of this sector is because it was being fueled by the ongoing business in digitalization, the development of e-commerce, the growing number of mobile apps, and the rise of streaming platforms. And according to Natalia Mika, She's the advisor at Newmark Polska. She says uninterrupted access to IT systems is strategically critical to business continuity for an increasing number of companies requiring secure and non-stop access to network infrastructure and servers. And Vladimir Vicek, regional director at SEGRO, continues, at the pace of digital transformation and development of cloud technologies accelerates and the data center sector continues to grow at speed, Poland is seeing more and more data center inquiries. Our country still has excellent and affordable sites and suitable fiber connectivity, which is one of the key requirements in data center projects. And according to data from K2, 58% of e-commerce companies throughout Poland rely on public cloud infrastructure. This trend has been confirmed by a PMR report on data centers, which has revealed that total capacity of commercial data centers in Poland is expected to double in the space of the next 6 years. And moving on to the HR and human resources, and Robert Steinberg has joined ARC Capital Markets as Managing Director of Property Finance. Robert has 25 years in the real estate sector, largely working for lenders Berling Hype and Nordbank and JLL, with a main focus on Poland. Staying in Poland, and Pinebridge, Benson Elliott and Sharo Capital own portfolio of six office buildings, the Pro portfolio, located in Poland's major regional cities, has obtained WELL Building Standard and BREEAM in Use certification. All projects obtained recognition following property manager MVGM's certification process. The WELL Building Standard confirms that the portfolio's assets adhere to the highest standards of building safety and support the health and well-being of occupants, while the BREEAM in-use certificate establishes the building's sustainability credentials and the quality of property management. And staying in Poland's office market, and to a report by Savills that new office supply in Poland's regional cities hit a record high of 243,500 square metres in Q1 2022, representing an uplift of 5% on the previous peak in Q4 2019. And more new space was delivered in the first 3 months of this year alone than in the whole of 2021. At the end of Q1 2022, total office stock in Poland's core regional cities, which are Kraków, Wrocław, Tri-City, Katowice, Poznań, Łódź, Lublin and Szczecin, stood at 6.27 million square metres, and Kraków, with 1.64 million square metres of space, remains the largest regional office market. The largest completions included Global Office Park A1 and A2 in Katowice, KTW2 in Katowice, and Midpoint 71 in Wrocław. Of all the regional cities, Wrocław recorded the highest development pipeline of 172,000 square metres at the end of March 2022, as well as the largest office take-up in the first quarter, with 38,400 square metres transacted. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join us tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.